Hi again. Here's video number 4 that corresponds with From Passion to Profit, a fun playbook for creative founders. And today we're going to talk about the psychology behind writing your website. If you don't think you need a website right away and you just want to leverage social media, that's fine, especially if you're starting with no money. But I can't tell you how incredibly valuable a website is. When you look at the playbook and you look at our website, you'll see there's also an all-in-one software package called High Level that we absolutely love. It's super inexpensive. It has everything you need. And as you go through it, you're setting up every single piece of the business. The software walks you through every single piece you need, including a business phone line that can be text, called, whatever, everything. And you can set automations to it and have it do all this work for you. And if you really want to get wild, you can even add AI into it. It's just insane. The whole thing is great. And it also contains a website builder. And when you're building the website, you'll see that it helps everything come to light. So let's say you already did your research that I talked about in the third video on how to do market research. It's also in the playbook, by the way. You want to take everything that you learned in that process and start honing it down. So when you look at what you need to think about and put in place when you're putting a website together, it contains these pieces. So first, I always say, describe your business in 6 to 7 words. This is part of a worksheet that's in our playbook and on our website. You want to start by describing your business in 6 to 7 words. And that's usually in the homepage hero, right? And what's the problem you're solving for the market? This is something that you need to put right up front so people understand who your business is, why they even care, and what you're offering. So in what ways are you different from the usual choices out there? And what do you have to offer is so incredibly important to show, not just tell in words, but show with pictures. And how do you want people getting in touch with you? What information do you want to provide? That's another interesting question. Some people don't want to have their phone number. They don't want calls. They just want to either contact us or contact me through web chat or through my social, DM me, whatever it is. I know it sounds funny, but little things like that really make a difference in what your life is going to look like. Another thing is, do you have any awards or special recognition or things that you've accomplished that are a little unusual compared to your competition, your potential competition or other people out there? And what big brands might you already be serving is another big deal. People like going along with the herd. If they see you're already out there with big brands and organizations or people that they know, they're going to want to glom on. If you don't have anything in that nature, you have to think of the reason why someone should trust you and want to work with you. It's really important to put out there. And do you have great videos, images, infographics, especially if you're creative? You have no excuse. Make sure that your webpage, your presence in general online is just filled with beautiful graphics. A picture tells 1,000 words. Attention spans are very, very low, so you need to know how to capture all that. So make sure you're doing that. Do you have a clear join, like, follow, subscribe? There's called calls to action, CTAs. So make sure you have priorities there. If you're asking too much, you're not going to get anything. And if you're asking too little or the wrong thing, like you don't want to get DMs, then don't build your Instagram, do it another way. So just think about that. Whatever you're doing, whatever platform you want to be on, maybe it's WhatsApp, maybe it's Discord. I don't know, but you have to figure that out. What's your vibe? And who do you want to attract? And what do you want your life to look like as people are reaching out to you? That's really important to think about. Do you have everything sorted so you can get up on Google Business? To have a Google Business page, you have to have a business name, a location, and you have to be able to answer certain questions that you have a legitimate business to get up on Google as a business page. And that's also how you get on maps. So if you have a physical location, it's how people navigate to your location. It's also how people leave reviews for your business. So make sure at some point that you have all your ducks in a row. This corresponds with a fun success guide, a worksheet for planning your website that is on our website. It's in our playbook. So please refer to that or keep playing this video over and over and over until you get all the answers to your questions and get that website designed. That's enough for one video. I hope that helps you. Bye for now.